What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So we are up at the body shop taking a look at the Volkswagen today, and it looks like it's back together, but it's not. Just doing some test fitting. So we're just making sure the rockers fit dimensionally, that they're all in there. Everything is just held together right now with screws and clamps, but you can see how everything fits in here. This is that plate last time that I showed you. That's all welded in. And you can see how that fits across there. And then in the back, you can see how it fits across here. How well everything lines up. So the front, or the rockers are just clamped in. And here's the front. We got the front cut out. This is the new panel here for the inside kick panel. And then this one we're gonna weld onto here and then spot weld to this flange. And then the front is also cut out. We got to pull this box out and we're going to make a new one because there isn't one on that side and we don't know the condition of this one. We can see it's pretty rough, so we'll get that pulled out. And then on the inside, this is that new panel. It's just kind of mocked up all the way around. And then here's the front corner. But still working. This is this piece here that we still have to weld in. You can see how well that fits, lines up perfect in there. So that piece will be going in there once the rocker's welded in, because this sits over top of the rocker. So we're going to weld the rocker in and then fit that. And then this is that front piece. For in here, we're still working on this piece, but this will be that piece there. That'll get welded in and then spot welded to that flange. So we're still working on that. And then I'll grab this over here. So this is the template for that front kick panel. You can see this is the tape template that was made. And this was the first kind of just test panel, and where we made a couple changes, marked everything how it fit. This was the first one, and then the final piece is in there. It still needs a little bit of tweaking, but it is in. So that's where we're at on this. The Volkswagen's coming along. It's actually going a lot quicker than I thought it was. I wasn't expecting to see the rockers and stuff in today this quick. We are at 18 days right now from when I dropped it off. So we're making really good progress. I mean, we're not even close to getting stuff welded in. We still got to finish this whole front, build the box, make sure everything's set, pull it back out, then start worrying about this back. So yeah, we're not there yet on welding, but I was just surprised to see test fitting that quick. This is this front panel that's going to go up in here once we build that box. So that's got to go up in there, and then we got to do that whole side. So we're going to start on that side once this side's done. But it's looking really well. I'm surprised at how far along we are. And I know a couple people have messaged me about restoring these and making sure that all the spot welds and stuff are there. So I just wanted to address that. Everything is getting re-spot welded on this. If it was originally held with a spot weld, it'll be spot welded. That's how my Plymouth was. On my Plymouth, every spot weld was measured for the gap between them, how many there were, the size of them, and they were redone in the exact same pattern. This car will be the exact same. If there's a spot weld there, there'll be another one there. And if it wasn't spot welded, then it'll just be MIG welded. But it'll be redone exactly how they did in the factory. We're not going to change how the car was built, because if Volkswagen wanted to build it away, that's how we're going to build it. So that's where we're at on this. yeah, we're moving along. So stay tuned on this one. You know, let me know what you guys think on it. And we're gonna have weekly videos. I missed last week. Schedules just didn't line up, but the plan is weekly videos on this, and then I'm gonna be working on my Bronco also in the meantime at home while this is up here. So stay tuned on both of them, and you know, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for the next one. See you guys later.